What is up, YouTube? Long time no tutorial. Feels good to be back. Anyways, on your Windows 10, if you're having problems with the search, let's say you search up something and you have a little message here saying that the index is turned off or it's incomplete. Well, there's a simple solution for that. So let's go ahead and search the irony. We're searching. Search for indexing options. Go ahead and click on that. Now you might not see anything here, which is okay because we're gonna go ahead and rebuild. Hit advanced and then you want to click rebuild. What that does is kind of just rebuilds the whole searching index for you, and then it might take a while. I'm not gonna rebuild it for you, I already did it. And then press OK and hit close, and then you should be able to start looking for some files should be able to pop up. And then if you're still having issues for whatever reason, then go ahead and search for services. Okay, be careful what you click here. And then once your services windows is up, search for Windows search. As you can see, I have it running, but you're gonna right click, hit properties, don't be shy. Now your startup type, you might have it to delayed start, or you might have it to disabled. If you have it set as disabled, then that could be one of the issues. You want to make sure, just leave it on automatic. That's probably your best bet. We don't need to delay start because it's not like it's gonna lag the startup. So leave it to automatic, hit apply, hit OK, close this, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully that solves the problem. Thanks for watching.